Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to work with the list, and the list will be basically just like a collection of people that will be saved in a specific list that you want. For example, like fitness, and then you put all the fitness people there, or like athlete, or like all the athletes, or like tech people, like, you know, you get the idea. But yeah, okay, let's just jump to create the model, and we're going to create this model here in the Audive app. Let's go here and then here. So class, let's call it people list, this model, models.model. This will have a title, chart fill, mass, length 150. Of course, the user will be let me see. Just copy this one, right? Leads user, right? And of course the people that will be in that list. So models that many to many field, the user, and then related name will be people user. Let's save that. Now let's run the migrations. Make migrations and migrate. Okay, now let's run the server. Good. Okay, now that we have our model, let's create the form for the list. So let's go here. Need to import the people list model. Let's go here to the bottom. Here, class new list form, forms that model that form. Okay, and we got the title. That's the only thing that we need to create the list right now. We get will be forms that test input, put a mass length of 150, and then require will be true. And class meta model people list and fields the title. Okay, save that. Now let's go here to the views, and well, first let's import our people leads model, and then let's import forms, import new list form. Okay, so we're here in the user profile. So what we need to do, we need to basically let's get all the lists from the user, even though we have any. So so yeah, so let's get the favorite leads. Select, I think, favorite people list. Okay, so this one will be favorite lists will be people list that objects that filter, and then for the user, oops, people, and then we don't get user from here, remember, because this one is for the profile. What we need is the user from the request. So request that user, request a user, make sure of that. Okay, so now that we got our we need to make the form to work. Okay, so let's start with the new list form here. New favorite lists form. Okay, so if request that method equal post, form will be new list form request that post. So if form that is valid, title will be form that get, oops, no, for that clean data get, we get the title, and then after that we just objects that create title, and the user will be the request user, remember. So so after this, let's just they're here. Okay, after that return HTTP response redirect reverse, and then here we pass the username. Oh, no, the profile. Yes, this is the name of the URL. So the profile, and then here args, we pass the username. Okay, so here else form will be neonate form. Done. So now let's pass the form here. Oops. Form, and then let's pass the favorite list. Save that. Okay, we got the views. So now let's go to the templates in the profile. So now what we need to basically this is the button. Let's go to the user here. So user, okay, so here this button, we need to basically like actually we need to first we need to fix this. And it's different from the user. Because we don't want to show that button. I mean, you know. Okay, now it's gone. Let's go to a different user here, and it's showing. Okay, so this is the favorite button. What we want is to, when we click on the button, we want to open a model, and then in the model we kind of like want to add the add the user to the list, etc., etc. So let's go to let me check JavaScript models, kind of like that. We want something kind of like that. So let's copy this model structure here, and then let's paste it. I don't know. I think we can just paste it over here. Let's paste it here, okay? Okay. Now let's make this button. Actually, let's remove that tag reg text. We need to add a model trigger here, and then yeah, the link, we need to put the ID of the model, this ID, put it here, and then that should, oh, I forgot, we need to initialize the model. So let's go here, and then let's copy this one, and then let's put it in our static JavaScript files over here, save. Now let's refresh with Control F5 so the JavaScript files are reloaded. So here we go. This is the model, and it's working. Okay, so let's modify this a little bit. Let's save to list. We don't need this. So here, let's have a form. Role form. Oops, sorry about that. That was my door. Role form. Method post. Action. Here we'll put the URL to basically add the user to the list. We don't have it right now because we're. So let's put an ID to this one, add to list form. Okay, so now let's put the CSRF token, the cross-forgery token. So what we want like a select. So let's go to the forms. Let's go to, okay, select here. Let's copy this one. Select. So here, just put, choose your option. And I don't know, let's put favorite people list, I guess. Let's refresh that. Let's click on favorite, and as you see, it's working. Choose your custom list. Okay. Choose from. Okay, now let's delete that one. We just need one. We need a button here. So let's go materialize, components, buttons. Yeah, let's copy this submit button here, paste it over here. Let's check. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to have the new list here. So let's copy this one and paste over here. This will be the new list. Let's remove the model close class here. This one will be closed. Oh, what is this? Okay. And yeah. So what we want to, when we click new list, we want to load a new model, so we can type like the title and then like send and then like save. This is the model one. Let's put model structure for the list select. Right, let's copy this. It ends here, so yes. And so here we want to add a new model for that. So what I want to do, let's create a new template here. Let's call it new list model that HTML. Oh, HTML. Okay, this is our new list. So basically just copy. Well, not copy. Let's just copy this one. Paste it here. We need a different ID. So model 2. This one, let's name it create new list. Cross-forgery token, form, method, pass, and we don't need this action or ID. So let's put cost call S12. So this one will have an input. So forms test input. Let's just copy one, right? Okay, this is the input. Here we put form that title. Let's put okay. Okay. And then okay, title for the list, la 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 la. Oh, we can remove this button here. Let's remove this one because we have like, let's put this one like save, or like, no, let's put cancel first and then save. So now we need to move the form tag to here, basically after the yeah, so this one will be model close. This one will be a button. No, a model close. So type will be summit. Name action. Okay. I think that's it. Okay, model structure for the new list form. Okay, let's save that. Okay, we got our new list. So so here at the bottom, we can basically include that piece of HTML that we just created. This is one of the Django great stuff. So new list model that HTML. Oops. So here, the new list, we need to basically remember, we need to put model 2. Save that. And then, yeah. Wait. We need to put a model trigger thing. Oh yeah, model trigger. Let me see. Let's check. So now let's refresh. Control F5, favorite, and now new list. What? Okay, wait, let's try again. New list. Okay, here we go. Oh, actually, this is what we need to do. Let's go to the profile. This trigger, let's remove that. And then let's put model close because we want to close the previous model, right? So let's refresh, favorite, and then new list. Okay. Never mind. Model trigger. Yeah, it won't work. I don't know why I thought it would work, but so favorite and then new list, and then here this is, I don't know why is this. Okay, let's work with the new list model S12, and then let's check. Let me check. Let's create a new list to add people to this custom list. Kind of like messing around to get the or we can just click cancel. We can just Whatever. Yeah, this is. So let's try this. Okay. Let's add a new list, and let's say we want or software, right? Like software people, and let's save. Okay. Apparently. So now let's make this thing to work, just to see if it actually worked. So let's check the post here. Let me see. I don't see any post. Oh yeah, there is. I think I saw it. No, I don't see it. Okay, here, post. Okay, now let's go to the templates profile. So here we're going to actually show the list that we got. So for your custom list, so for favorite lists, remember, and for option value will be favorite.id, and then here we'll have the favorite.title. What? Okay, favorite.title. Let's save that and let's refresh and let's check. Yeah, so it worked. This is our custom list, and we just submit. But right now this submit button is not working. We need to put that to work.